Here I have Oppo Reno 5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Personal Hotspot. Tap on it once and you can switch a hotspot. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its name, you can change its security protocol, you can change its password, and you can also change its IP band. And you can set it to be invisible or visible to other devices here. You can manage connections. For example, you have block lists, so you can block devices. You can set maximum amount of allowed connections. You can set data restriction. And you can also turn off your hotspot automatically if nobody is connected for 10 minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.